Today we're making bibimbap, a Korean sweet, sour, and spicy noodle dish. It is a favorite in Korean homes and often paired with samgyeopsal, or grilled pork belly, for a harmonious balance of savory and spicy. For a homemade bibimbap, you will need somen or somen, thin wheat noodles. These are easily found in markets or online. Avoid noodles labeled udon, pho, soba, or pasta. If you prefer gluten-free, there are rice-based versions that closely resemble somen. For the sauce, you will need gochugaru or Korean chili powder, and gochujang, Korean chili paste. You'll also need honey and sugar to balance the spiciness and tanginess, and vinegar for a refreshing tang, and soy sauce. If you have somen, you'll notice they come portioned with thin paper strips, 1 portion per person. Today I'm cooking for 2, so I'm using 2 portions. Here's how Koreans cook somen. Start by boiling enough water to submerge the noodles. Once the water boils, add the noodles. Shortly after, you'll notice white foam forming on top. When it grows near the pot's rim, add half a cup of cold water. Wait again for the foam to grow, then add cold water a second time. The third time the foam rises, the noodles are ready. I do not understand the exact science behind this 3 rice method, but it ensures perfectly cooked noodles every time. Once done, rinse the noodles under cold running water immediately to stop the cooking and maintain their chewiness. If using your hands, ensure the noodles are not too hot to avoid burns. Drain well and set aside. While the noodles cook, let's prepare the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Mix until smooth. Taste and adjust as needed. This sauce is simple but absolutely satisfying. Place your noodles and sauce in a bowl and mix thoroughly until every strand is evenly coated. Bibimbap is delightful on its own, but you can enhance it with toppings like sliced cucumber, shredded carrots, or half a boiled egg. My personal favorite, however, is pairing it with grilled pork belly. The chewy noodles and spicy tangy sauce are a perfect match for the rich smoky flavors of samgyeopsal. And there you have it, bibimbap, a quick and delicious Korean classic. Whether you enjoy it solo or paired with samgyeopsal, this dish is a crowd pleaser. If there's a Korean recipe you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.